Before we came here to this garden, and hello, it's Saturday and Sandra here from Life on Pig Row in the greenhouse. Before we came to this garden and we were at Drovers, there was a plant I could never grow. It's called lupin. It's a weed in most parts of the world, but not in my old garden. It just curled up and died. And when I sowed here, I think I sowed about 200. I think it was a last ditch attempt. And out of the 200 seeds I sowed, they all came up. And I planted them all over the garden. And I thought, the slugs will have them. The cold will have them. And we had snow, we had wind, and the slugs didn't turn up. And we had the most glorious display of lupins. And ever since then, lupins have done really well in my garden. So today I'm going to show you how to sow lupins. We're sowing a variety called Band of Nobles. There are other varieties that you can find, but this is particularly one of our favourite varieties. We like the nice tall stems on this. So let's have a look at what we need to do. So there's nothing particularly special about what we need to do. Here we are, it's a tray. And now we're going to have a look at the seed. So there's lupin seed, and you can see they're all different colours. And the reason for that is because the flower will be all different colours. The darker seed actually denotes a darker flower. The lighter seed, a lighter flower. What colour that'll be, you won't know until they come up. And it's just a matter of gently sprinkling across the surface like so. Don't worry if some clump up together, because you can prick them out later on when they start to grow. By the way, it's really hard to sow a seed when you're holding a camera. For anyone saying, oh, you're sowing too many, it doesn't matter, because there you are. That will do a great job. Now, what I could do is I can cover again with soil, which I will do, because that works really well for us. Or we could go down the vermiculite route. But I am covering with soil because in the past that has worked just as well for us. And as I go along, I firm down, break up any clumps, like so. And we could sieve on the soil, but again, it's really hard to sieve when you're doing it one-handed. Who'd have thought it? Making films to show you how to garden when you forget to bring your tripod out and you can't be bothered going back into the house. There you go. And that's it. And again, what's the golden rule? What do we need now? We need a label. And in it goes. And off it goes. Onto the staging. And it'll stay there and we'll wait for it to come up. And that's how easy it is to sow lupin. I'm not guaranteeing you're going to get loads of flowers, especially if you have loads of slugs in your garden. But fingers crossed you will. Once they get away, they last years. I've got varieties now going back 10 years, and they then self-sow around the garden. So I've got other varieties popping up that I've hybridised. Now, if they keep going, they will all turn blue. The self-sowed ones, and you need to rip them out because then you'll end up with blue lupins everywhere. I like the gaudy mix of flowers, the things that make you go, ooh, they're a jar, but they look lovely. So until next time, it's goodbye from me, Andrew at Life on Pig Row. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We're here every Saturday showing you how to do things that are practical, things you can do around the garden and in the house. Until next time, bye bye.